specifications, assembly, and comparisons of the ESDDI 12-inch LED ring light with tripod stand. Coming up. Hi, I'm Kendra Morgan Official, and thanks so much for joining me. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. You'll really enjoy it. Okay, today for you guys I have a video on the assembly specifications, and I'll also be doing a comparison of the 12-inch LED ring light by ESDDI in comparison to the 18-inch ring light by Neewer. So I first want to start off by saying that I was reached out by ESDDI rep Patricia, and she asked me to film this video for you guys, and I gladly accepted. So thanks so much, Patricia. We also want to add that we're going to be giving you guys a 10% off coupon, so the link down below, make sure you click on it and use it so that you can get some money off. It's not an affiliate link, so I don't make a dime off of it. Let's go ahead and get into the assembly of it. Okay, so here we have the kind of the unboxing a little bit. So we've got the tripod, and then we've also got the ring light itself. And then I've already attached one of the phone attachments, but it comes with two, and you simply put the attachment in to the screw for the light, and then you've got that. So you've got a place to dual live stream if you need to. The ESDDI ring light does come fully encapsulated, meaning there's no components that go over the light. So this does travel really well. That's nice. Comes with one of those Bluetooth remotes, and you can take pictures via your phone if you like. I already lost it twice, so kind of tells you what I think about that. The next thing is, this is a standard tripod having a, boy, if I would just, okay, so let's talk about the extension real quick. To extend, you just move these out, and then it would, come out. Then to collapse, you simply open up the hinges, push it back in, and it fully closes. I'll put the measurements that it extends to and up on the screen. I don't have them off the top of my head. Next, the ring light itself has an attachment on top of it that literally just snaps in when you take this hinge and move it, perpendicular to the pointer, something like that. Anyways, you get what I'm talking about there. So then you've got the ring light set up. It's basically a plug and play ring light, very easy to install. I'm gonna grab my laptop. It is a USB lighting system, so it doesn't come with the adapter, but you can buy one, and then you can have a wall plug-in if you need it. Swing this over, take my little bread ties off. You've got the blue LED light that comes on, so you can see that it's plugged in. You click on the on button right there, and you've got your ring light. It's probably looking kind of etchy sketchy from your end right now. You've got 3 different temperatures. This is the cool white, that's the warm white, and that is the natural white. Within each temperature of lighting, you've got 10 degrees of brightness. Okay? So you can adjust accordingly. I generally use the cooler white light. It seems to illuminate more for the videos that I put out, but again, really great. The tripod has a auto leveler, so you just make sure that you have everything leveled correctly. This part appears a little bit wonky, but yeah, basically that is the assembly of the ring light. You could put it pretty much any which direction that you'd like, and all you do is grab that hinge back there and just let it kind of cuff the edge. That is the assembly of the ESDDI 12-inch Selfie ring light. Okay, so that is how the ESDDI 12-inch ring light with stand, tripod stand works and is assembled. It's basically a plug and play instrument, guys. I was very, very happy with how the instrument performed. I got a swivel chair and it sits up higher. Anyways, I don't know how to feel about that. Anyways, so I do want to go over some specifications. So you do have the different temperatures. I believe they range from 3,500 Kelvin to 3,000 Kelvin to 6,500 Kelvin. I kind of demonstrated that in the video. I know it wasn't the greatest of lighting because it wasn't right next to my studio lights, but hopefully you guys could get a feel for the warmth, the natural light, and then the cool light. So I do want to put in there that, let me get the bad boy out here and let's just do a little show and tell. So I do want to also reiterate, it does have 2 stands for phones, so you can live stream with 2 phones if you wanted to. The stand folds down to 42 centimeters, but it folds out to 135 centimeters. This is an all-encompassed frame right here, so there's no components that you need to assemble the ring light. It's all enclosed, and so you don't have to worry about any of that falling apart. Okay, let's get into the comparison. So right now I have all of my studio lights, and I'm going to show you the 18-inch Neewer ring light in the studio. I'm not going to change anything except for the ring lights. Okay, you ready for this? So here is the 18-inch Neewer ring light in my studio. So this is the ring light, the Neewer ring light with the 12-inch right there. So this is the Neewer ring light, and then also the ESDDI 12-inch ring light. I do have it a couple, I don't know, maybe a foot closer than the actual ring light that I use for my studio. And then this is with only the 12-inch ring light with the Neewer ring light turned off. Okay, so there you guys have it. It is a bit of a difference, but again, we are talking in terms of 12 versus 18-inch ring lights. There's a lot more LEDs on the 18-inch than on the 12-inch, but it really holds its own, guys. This is a great ring light. I like it. It makes for great travel because it's, like I said, there's no components that actually go over the casing. It gives a soft light filter, so you don't have to worry about any harsh lines anywhere like you would on the Neewer. Well, first, let me go ahead and get the Neewer ring light on because I do kind of appreciate that one a little better. Okay, there we go. So there, that's better. Okay, I would show you guys with the light. I'll just leave the light on unless it like dims it for any reason. But just like I was talking before in the assembly, you can dim all of the temperature settings. So within the ring light, you have 10 different dimming options within each of those temperature settings. So it does make for a great, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off and show you guys that the light is removable, so you can use just the tripod if you wanted to. Just go ahead and flip your hinge out and then take that lip out, and now you have the tripod. You just want to make sure you have a horseshoe mounted whatever it is that you're intending to put on the top of the tripod. Has to be like a horseshoe mount, I believe. Last things last, I do want to say that it is a USB plug, so it's plugged into my laptop that's sitting right here, but you can also use a USB adapter, and then you can use it into the wall if you so choose to. Attachments sold separately, batteries not included. You guys know the drill. All right, guys, like I said before, Trisha's offering, Patricia, we're like friends basically, right? I don't know. Patricia and I are offering you guys a coupon code for 10% off for a couple weeks here. So make sure if you guys like this video and you want to buy an ESDDI 12-inch LED ring light, that you use the code down below and it'll save you 10% off. And speaking of off, free things are nice as well, and it's free to subscribe, so you should. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye!